serve coming from Barrera. Almost turned into a point by Abby Segi. But here is Adamson. Si Segi ang pinapuntos. Fantastic serve coming from Liabres. Hindi nakatake si Nutura. And that launch was it.
So far, this one's gonna be a test of composure for Mapua and a chance for Adamson to keep their perfect record alive. Jay and Lois.
For Mapua nga, diba? As Abby Segi. Shy. Oh, ball is alive. Wala nga lang humabol at taga-Mapua doon sa
Please.
That's gonna be that kind of day for Princess Rebustes. Na listed libero ngayon kasama si Creepy Kagula. In the meantime,
Sobrang ganda nung timing, her running attack. Sobrang on point nung connection nila nito. And
siya na naman bibigyan dito. Hindi, punta sa gitna. Yung drop pumasok para kay Shai.
ay Nutura. Well, everybody was so prepared na depensahan ng malakas. Seems like tumitigil yung oras sa kanya. Alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola.
That's Claire Gam with a great dig. Pero na in 4 games, she's not far behind.
Ngayon, and from that last frame, parang napagsabihan nga din ni Coach Ayin.
Eloy again!
Napakita ng kanilang kalaban.
Lana rejected again this time by
Already showing us what they needed to do in order to stop the attack.
Lumobo yung tip ni Nicole. Ayan si Shai, ginawa ng paraan. Jem, back set, Raisa, Rica Blanca.
Some puntos, you'll be able to convert it into a point.
Muntos mama po dito. From the looks of it, hindi pa magta-timeout si JP Ube. Ayan, pinapunta si Lana.
Tawag.
Oo,
Time
hindi
out.
na. It's the 3rd attempt, if I'm not mistaken. Because one thing, service is not a problem. Being encountered by the Lady Cardinals. Combination!
Even the angle, the lead.
At saka napakaalanganin ng pwesto ng patong na yun. With that loaded serve, atake ang Mapua. Freyan is back!
Again,
By the way, 1 set point taken. Looks like here's the finish. Kaya lang, hindi pa gumana para kay Kim Rocha. It's a free ball. Shai naging setter. Lana Barrera for the kill!
and isa ko po na nila ang kanilang mga setter. But dito naman sa mga yung variety of attacks nito.
Naiipit ka tuloy ngayon. Nice pass.
I think ma-activate lang naman talaga itong middle if may maganda talagang pasang. Dapat talaga hindi tayo nangungula. Dapat
Ayan na.
tayo magbasa.
But that time, Shai, kakampi ko nakaputos, ako na lang hindi. Ako nga, paisa. That is it for Raisa. Pinagbigyan siya ni Lois Santa Maria. Dumiskarte ng opensa ang Adamson. There's a dig coming from Rebu. Freyan rejected. But the play is alive. The drop. Almost. Juris binigay kay Lana. Huli pa rin. And the rally goes on. Alex Liabres. No good on the cross court. Barrera. No good on the drop. Nice dive by Raisa. Sino ang tatapos? Yung block ang tumapos.
And
Vision, we have the bilig this morning. Mamaya pupunta po yung Smart Araneta Coliseum for the PBL Invitational Finals. Kaya yung mga ganong palo.
And agad namang nag-translate itong hinihingi ni Coach JP para sa kanyang mga...
Kinuha pa ni Shai. Muntik maging puntos, pero maka-atake ang Adamson. Faye to the other side. Shai Nitura got the line.
Sobrang ikli lang nung time yun kapag jaws sa net.
Siyempre, marami ka napalalunan, no? Break glass in case of emergency. Break, in this case, Get shy Nitura in case you're down by 4 or 5. And that is in!
Very smart players do things that are least expected.
20-year-old Freysa Gaisay na talaga.
Exactly.
From the pipe. Shy got it again. Ang taas ng power tip. Alex. Tinatama sa net. Set up ulit. Shy Nitura will end everything.
Orchestrate yung game na yun. As you can see, nobody expected na ang bilis ng set niya.
Pascal, play goes on. Mordy. Gale. Shy. Caught by Abut.
Yung mga timeout.
Oo. Uh-oh. Nag-uumpisa na mag-warm up sila Tax. In just a short while. In the meantime, Yabut scores. Free ball. Mapua again. Yabut rejected this time. Una, kaya mo munang itong dalawang koponan na to magpakitang gilas sa kanilang mga laro. There's the chase by Shy. Sobra ang set ni Claire. Kagulo, Morty scores! Adamson, a 2-set. MJ Del Moral's not suited up. Pero ayan, si Third tsaka si Eloy. A sizable points coming from...
And again, maganda nga. Sabi mo nga, maayos yung pinapakita ng mga middle blockers. Itong Adam.
Ooh, solid hit coming from the...
Something that Adamson should look out for.
Di gumana yung palo sa gitna ni Abby. Raisa was dug by Faye. Segi, second. Ahoy! Tourist to daw eh. May follow through pa. Pero ayan, yung black point ni Aloy.
Nasa pagkahok niya rito, minsan lang sumagi sa isip niya na maging isang vampira rin. Pag nagkataon ay grabe na lalong speed at lupit ni Abby sa court niya.
But make no mistake about it, Lois. Abby Segi starting to become really scary in this match. Tapos may kombinasyon pa yan.
So, nagiging kalmado din itong mga players. But it depends, of course.
Trayan was caught. Raisa was caught. Drop na yun, ha? Morpa sa likod si Alex. Back set ni Tura. Oh, good up by Nicole Ong. Cross court, Raisa Ricablanca.
Na pa talaga nakakapatay mga bola niya.
Oo.
Sobrang effective yung mga attacks niya.
But shiny Tura.
Numbers pa lang, alam natin kung gaano mas ka-effective itong
Hindi lang sila nanonood, hindi lang nila hinihintay itong Adamson na maitawid eh. Nandun pa rin, may palag pa rin, may laban pa rin eh. Pero mas marami
Sinitura as if alam niya na kung anong mangyayari. Na-anticipate.
Pascon. Woohoo! And that attack will send us to our second technical timeout. Just sa kung saan pupunta yung setter mo. As much as possible, you want to get out of her path as a block. From the back row. Huli ni Freyan. Huli si Freyan rather. Attack intercepted. Nicole Ong. Huli yung backline. 22 years old pa lang itong si Red Pascon. Just imagine how young this Adamson did. That is good for Claire Gam. Play goes on. That one is in from our vantage point. May black point pang Adamson.
Kailangan na talaga nilang makarecover.
Oo.
Because the time is now.
It looks like Abby's to call it a day this quick. Another solid hit.
You can see the tree.
Alanganin yung palo. Lalabas na sana pero kinuha pa rin. Segi with the finish.
I think it's because Segi really wants na